All of you, good morning once again, and heartily welcome, sir. Mr. T. Vamshi Krishna, sir, heartily welcome, and KRQ team also. Sir, please come on to the dais. అందరూ ఒకసారి మీ యొక్క కరతాళ ధ్వనులతోటి మన యొక్క ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ఎంతో సహకరించినటువంటి స్పాన్సర్ చేసినటువంటి కేర్క్యూ హెల్త్ ఫౌండర్ అండ్ CEO గారు మిస్టర్ టి వంశీ కృష్ణ గారు. ఓకే తీసుకురండి సార్. ఫైన్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ టీమ్ ఆల్సో, ప్లీజ్ కేర్క్యూ హెల్త్ టీమ్, ప్లీజ్ కమ్.
Hi everyone. First of all, huge congratulations to the team. Zalakya started some events or something. I am new to this industry. As you, mere singing ela passion untudo, we are into service. Okay, we started a startup called Careco Health. It's in Hyderabad. Okay, actually we were into insurance and hospital services. Actually I was hurried with a cardiac case, so late ga vachanu, toragane move avutanu. But from my end, I am giving a free offer for all the people who are attending this session. Actually, we do have our membership program. I am offering for all the people at free of cost now.
Okay sir, thank you.
You can enroll your name and details there at the bench. Mr. Jashwant will take care of it. Okay, we'll continue my contribution to you as well. And see you again and again.
Okay. Sure sir, thank you.
Thank you. We were into insurance and healthcare services, diagnostics, rehabilitation and physiotherapy, whichever. If a person, I won't call as a patient, whoever the person needs any healthcare support, we are a single point of contact. Okay. Like in Hyderabad, if you name the hospital, if you have any contact in a certain hospital, we do support. If not, we do support for all mode of payments. Yes, but we do serve in Bangalore as well, Chennai as well, Pan India. Very soon we will expand our wings. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.